Okay, so this is for the Richmond Win client. This is to install the setup console. So that's the only Win client you need. We've removed all of the services to be web-based now. So the Win client is required for the setup console to manage the back end of Richmond. Also, this does install the RTS data import tool. So this is a useful tool to import data from another database such as Access or another SQL table. So there's some useful features in that. So right click and run as administrator. Select next and accept the license agreement. This is purely cosmetics. It doesn't matter what you put in here really. But it's best to put your name and organization. And select next. If we go to custom, you can see it's only installing the setup console. We have actually removed all the other older Windows components in this version because they're no longer required. But like I said, it will actually install the import tool as well. So you can change the location from here and select next and install. Okay, it's as simple as that. You can actually launch a setup console from there. I'll just show you from here. So we've got the setup console. It will be in your program files area. So we've just added a shortcut here. So logging on, you can use the Rich SA account if you're still using that, or you can log in. If it's a new database, the Richmond user, which the default username and password is Richmond for new systems, that will allow you to also log into the setup console. Put your SQL server details in here and the database. If you are connecting to a database which is different from RS Updesk and it's not shown in your drop down, contact Richmond support and we will send you a DB XML file. If I just log in, I'm going to go in as Rich SA and Richmond. Go to specialists here. You can see that Richmond has got access to the setup console. So if you want to give another colleague access to the setup console, you can do so by clicking on their name and ticking this, and it means they can actually log in with their Richmond username details. If I go into the program files area where Richmond was installed in, so Richmond systems and support desk, you can see within here there are a few other things it has installed. So one of them, like I said, is the RTS data import tool, which could be useful. And if you have EXEs in here, you don't need to run a tool. They're just from the legacy components, which are still here. Maybe in some circumstances, they might need to be used.